Every year millions of turkeys are bred. Industrialized process human have optimized the production process to meet the increasing demand, with consumption potentially reaching up to 8 million tons per annum. With a fully modernized breeding process, automated feeding and watering machines work continuously, reducing the human interference and utilizing resources efficiently. Do you want to know how farmers were successful in this? So, join with me in this article as we go along the history of turkey farming. Artificial insemination is the most widespread technique which is used to enhance turkey farming productivity. Artificial insemination is done 4 days a week, with each turkey being inseminated once per week. The staff does insemination on about 500 to 600 turkeys per hour. The shaking or egg turning mechanism replicates the action of a mother hen, which aids in the uniform distribution of heat and humidity while preventing the embryo from sticking to the eggshell. After about 30 days in the incubator, these eggs will hatch into chicks. The chicks are fed through an automated feeding system, ensuring they receive the required nutrients, always in a continuous uniform way. Chick feed is normally a pellet mix with a high percentage of protein, vitamins, and minerals, for healthy growth and development. The process of harvesting the turkeys is done efficiently, with the use of modern equipment for transportation like tractor trailers with metal cages. The turkey processing business is getting modernized because of the support with advanced equipment and technology. Every turkey is hung by its legs on a conveyor belt and passed through hot water, a process used to loosen the feathers. After this, an automatic plucking machine efficiently removes the feathers quickly in large-scale processing plants. Each cutting machine is equipped with sensors and automatic blades, ensuring precise operation with a processing speed of 5,000 to 10,000 birds per hour. Parts such as the head, neck and tail are also removed sequentially, streamlining the processing and ensuring a cleaner operation. Turkey is an iconic dish during Western holidays, especially for Thanksgiving in the United States and Canada, as well as during Christmas celebrations. Turkey has become an essential part of global cuisine, not only for its nutritional value but also for its role in bringing people together during meals and celebrations. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I look forward to seeing you on the next adventures. For older coconut trees, farmers have to climb the tree directly to cut the coconuts. Each coconut tree produces 70 to 100 coconuts per year. To reduce the weight and space before transporting to the next locations, farmers manually remove the coconut shells, making it easier to transport. The fresh coconuts are carefully placed on the boat and sailed across the calm rivers. Millions of coconuts from various places are brought to their coconut collection points. This is where the coconuts temporarily rest before being transported to the processing factories. The process of processing coconut in the factory process is quite extensive. It is through combining the process of manual labor. Initially, the coconuts have their outer shell stripped using hammers or other manual specialized tools. After this, the brown outer shell of the coconut is shaved or peeled off and ensured that the surface of the coconut meat is clean. The paste from grinding the coconut is transferred to 1,000 liters containers. This mixture is fed into a centrifuge machine. The centrifuge processes the lighter coconut oil, which rises to the top and is separated from the water and other impurities. As a result, the extracted coconut oil has high purity, a clear color, and retains the natural fragrance of the coconut. Dried coconut meat is a highly versatile ingredient with various applications in food, cosmetics and healthcare. The specialized drying oven with an accurate temperature and humidity control system helps manage the drying process and ensures the quality of the coconut meat. As mentioned at the beginning of the video, coconut can be used not only for its inner part but also for its outer shell. What may appear as waste can actually be processed into a nutritious material for organic farming. Coconut is not only a valuable food source but also provides many benefits for the environment and the economy. If you want to see the amazing intricacies of these production lines and dive deeper how these factories work, then you can watch our next videos here.